Breaking news tonight as we first reported on
has died after a shooting on Madison's east side. It happened facing multiple murder charges. Kidnapping, robbery, car theft, and 22 counts of attempted murder on a police officer.
A murder committed from a criminal street gang member.
Last night, just before 10 o'clock on Fordham Avenue near Webb Crafters. He is alive outside the Madison Police Department with the latest on the investigation.
Music ain't for everybody, cause that shit for me. Working hard to these goals that I promise I'll achieve. Better watch your damn back, cause these niggas all deceive. When the money coming in, yeah, these hands start to reach. Yeah, vision like an eagle, elevating like a seagull. All about that cream, like that shit, name a vino. Goddamn, I'm going in, I swear I gotta be a needle. And I'ma keep going hard, that's why I'm saying lethal. I'm spreading hella knowledge like you sitting in cathedrals. I've been on my grind even way before medieval. And now they sitting down watching me like I'm in Regal. Excuse me, yeah, I just had to check my ego. Making moves like interstate, going to work like figure eight. Spit till I deteriorate, watch these lyrics penetrate like Chris Angel levitate. Schooling all these niggas, so just listen as I educate. I'm the shit, just get it straight.
Yeah, the streets be watching. All my people keep talking. All my soldiers be marching. He know, she know that we know. Yeah, the streets be watching. All my people keep talking. All my soldiers be marching. He know, she know that we know.
Streets is fucking lurking, watch this nigga put in working. Like 2-4 is on my shirt, these niggas they be searching for the cops, now this nigga never stopping. They always fucking watching, trying to stop me, trying to drop me. But I've been on a mission, I've been on a mission. Like I need tuition, yeah, this vision, I'ma live it. And yeah, this picture vivid, and now they looking timid, intimidated. I'm on my way to elevate the greatness.
Yeah, the streets be watching. All my people keep talking. All my soldiers be marching. He know, she know that we know. Yeah, the streets be watching. All my people keep talking. All my soldiers be marching. He know, she know that we know.
Yeah, I swore I'm about to be rich. Been on my grind since I was 6. Got an issue, get off my dick. Yeah, I spit like I got a list. Try to diss you, get dismissed. Goddamn right, I'm fucking pissed. Like a drug test in this bitch. Now these niggas looking dim. Talk that real and recorded. That said this vision distorted. This music just ain't important. Dreams of women and horses. With the Mansons and Porsches. With the fans and the touring. Working hard till this morning. Now he giving me warnings. If I don't act according to how these white people want me, my future won't be rewarded. But this game I am scoring, and I'm diving in for it. And the water is gorgeous, you think I won't be important? Man, just cut the recording.